Good evening, guys. Let's briefly check what we have on this GBP USD, right? So on this GBP USD right now, we are currently looking at something nice, right? Now, I finished analyzing this whole lot of market, but I will explain how I get some of this setup, right? So we can do this together, right? So let's move on. So if you watch very well, and this is 4 hours time frame, right? This is 4 hours time frame. If you watch from this angle right here, you see that the market have been trending down, right? The market have been trending down, right down. So we are having a good setup here, right here. So the market have a change of character right from the setup we have here. So we have a change of character right here. So from this angle, we start looking for buy, start looking for buys. So right in this area, though we have been making profit right from here because we entered this trade and we make some profit, right? So let's switch to the 1 hour time frame. Now, when looking at this whole thing, you can find our change of character here. And since we got this change of character, we haven't market the price haven't break sorry, the price haven't break this the last low we have here. We have here price haven't break the last low we have here. So the last low that caused the change of character, price haven't break it down. You will see from this angle after breaking giving us a change of character right here, we are having the price have just came down to fill up the little imbalance we're having here. Tap on this order block. If you can see here, this is a 1 hour order block. If you can watch very well, so this is a 1 hour order block. So since they tap into the other block and it was has been going up, you know, the market came back, fill up this other little order block again. As a smart money concept trader, you just have to know the area where market will be breaking and testing. If you know, that's the reason why you just need to know how to uh, analyze with a break of structure and change of character market structure. Let me just say market structure. You know how to analyze with market structure and you'll be earning money from all those things. Like in this area right here, you can see that this after the market pushed up and showed this bearish confirmation entry. Like some people enter the market right from this angle and said their take profit may be times two or 1:2. 1:2, right? But no, as for me, I don't enter my uh, I don't enter that way. I don't enter that way. I will wait for price to come into this little other block because surely I know that market will come there, enter from this angle, not capping. Okay. Then I can make 1:2, 1:3, and the market will tap into your TP and you get out of the market, right? Rather than taking a huge risk and expecting the high risk to reward, and maybe market might not reach that extent. So you just have to, you know, make sure you have the area where market gives you what you need. You wait for the market and not the market waiting for you. So after this whole lot of things, you can see market came back and sweep out this just as liquidity. Market took this as liquidity. Then right here now, we are having a new break of structure. This was the last higher low, last high that we had. Sorry, this was the last higher high that we have, but the higher high did not break this one that changes the character. So we are looking what to do next. So since it did not break this one, we waited. But if you check this angle, you will see that this place and this you are seeing here is a and this you are seeing here is a structure though. So we can calculate that this also break. It broke this structure right here. It broke this structure right here, as you can see. So this broke this structure right here. Our market came back to this sweep past this liquidity, and you can see even in this area we still has a little other block here. Are you seeing it? The market came to take it out. The market took it out, and this was like, market just have to do its thing. You can't expect the market to come in here, and because you're having an other block here, the market should come in and to the upside. No, the market has to do what is hard for it to do what it wants by itself. So it's for you to follow the market, not the market following your own plans. You know. So what you have to do here right now, market went all the way, but right this angle here, we did something here in the 15-minute time frame. Let me jump to the 15-minute time frame. After the change of character, we have been always looking for buy, 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 right? So right here, here, we look for a buy at this point of time, and we enter this market from here. This was what I got. I waited for this market. This was what I got on this angle. Yeah, this was what I target. Target one is to two risk reward here, and my TP smash. I woke up on Monday, and today TP smashed. TP smashed. So we got our first trade here, and now though I cancelled everything, I cancelled everything, but there's still proof. I will show you on the screen where I entered this particular trade, right? I will show you on the screen where I entered this particular trade, so you won't think I'm just saying it for saying it's sake. So right here, let me talk about the three entry models I'm waiting for here. You can see I'm planning to have a sell here, a buy here, and a buy here. So within these two, either this one will work or this one will work. But if this one fail, then we are waiting for this one, right? So what happened here was that currently right here, let's view the 1 hour time frame. You can see that right here we have 1 hour order block. We have 1 hour order block, right? We have 1 hour order block that has imbalance, inner liquidity, break of structure, and also if you check here, there's liquidity that the the that it took out before creating this huge move. To let you know that the other block is complete. It has a complete. We have complete setup right at this angle here. So right now, I wasn't aware when market came into this other block or supply. I wasn't aware when market came into the other block, right? So I didn't enter this trade now. If not, we would have catch something huge. We would have catch something huge, maybe from this angle down here. We would have target this area, and by then maybe our profit should be 10 pips or so, 11 pips, and we'll see we would have made a lot of money from the market right this angle here. But I wasn't aware, and I'm not online when this such good of thing happen. But nevertheless, back to back, we must not trade every day. So we are kicking back to back, right? So every opportunity in the market, you shouldn't take up every opportunity you see in the market. Just wait for the right setup anyway. And anyone you miss does not mean that you missed it, or because there will always be opportunity in the forex market, right? So right here, because it tapped in the here, I've not got get into the market yet. So what I do, I'd rather wait for confirmation right here. So I'm waiting for confirmation to enter this trade and catch 1:2 risk to reward, as you are seeing. Waiting for confirmation to get into this trade and catch 1:2 risk to reward, as you are seeing. So that's exactly what I'm expecting. So the reason why I keep this take profit here is because of this zone might work the reversal, and this zone might also work the reversal. So you can see what I draw here. Let me zoom in very well for you. You can see. So you just know how to learn market structure and candlestick pattern, chart pattern, for you to understand these things, and you see that market will work for you. Market will work for you most of the time. So this is what I'm expecting on this. Without seeing this pattern, this thing, this kind of candlestick pattern, I'm not trading, I'm not entering the market. That is what I mean. You get me? So I'm not entering the market without seeing such a change of character, style on this zone, because I'm still expecting market to come down to this area. As you can see, this is 4 hours order block. Let me zoom it where so you can see. You can see. So this is 4 hours order block, right? So market can likely come to this area before the push up, because it has a break of structure. The market, this price order block has a liquidity also that is sweep. So market can likely from here boom to downside before the push up. But anyway, markets can also uh, push from this area to the upside. So we are expecting a two ways market ride. But before entering this first one, we need a good confirmation to enter the market first. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. Maybe coming down, create something like this, and with a good candlestick pattern, then boom, market expect something like this before entering the market. Without this, then I will expect the market to come down here. If I didn't see anything like this, I will expect the market to come down here. And if I don't enter the trade and the market go up, that's fine. And that is what the market decides to play, not what I am expecting the market. That's what I'm expecting the market to play. But if it did not play as that way, if like really the market push up, then it's none of my business, right? So let's check what the market is playing around this area, if the market will likely come down or not. So we'll jump to the 15-minute time frame where we will have our final confirmation on how to enter this trade, right? So right here, this is 15-minute time frame. Now you are seeing that I've not entered this trade yet. I'm expecting the market to cross this line here, to cross this line. Are you seeing? To cross this line. Let me give it a mark. Blue. Okay. I'm expecting it to cross this blue line, right? When it crosses the blue line, that is when I will have confirmation to enter the trade. That's why I set it here. Even it haven't crossed it yet. So right here, look at what is happening here on 15-minute time frame. We're having a 15-minute order block here. We're having a 15-minute order block here. So, and if you look very close, you will understand that market has a break of structure right here. So likely this might be our good entry point. This might be our good entry point with a low risk to reward of 5 to 6 pips. Then target 28 pips. That is almost 1:5 risk to reward. That's almost 1:5 risk to reward. But I don't want to enter that way. I'm waiting for confirmation before I enter this market. I wait for confirmation before entering this market, right? So that's why I put this here. Confirmation must be made before entering the market. So let me cancel this one. and this one will be okay, right? So we are good to go, good to go, good to go. So this is what I'm expecting from this right now. And that's why we're having 10 pips here and 22 pips right here. So once the market crosses PI to the downside, then we are getting into profit. Unlike I explained in this other area, that if the market come here around here and play, okay, that is good. Let's check around very well. You can see that we're having a good confirmation entry on the 15 minutes. Let's use the 15-minute order block now. So this is now a 15-minute order block and no more 1 hour order block, right? Ah, so this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. But let's now make use of it as a 15-minute order block, because I did it this way so that I will know the order block I'm working on. Sometimes you might see a good order
15 minutes
block or 1 hour and
order,
1 hour's order block that I'm using. So that's the
it,
reason why I will know if it's 15 minutes or it's 1 hour. So right here now we're having a good 15-minute order block. So likely I'll be expecting the market to reach here. So we're having 1:3, 1:2.5 risk to reward. So that's a now good risk to reward. And this I will be expecting to play it this way, rather for the risk to reward to be too high. So we now play it on the 15-minute time frame. Now play it on the 15-minute time frame. So this will now come to this area. Are you seeing it? So instead of our SA being here, let it be here. Are you seeing it? Then adjust it to 15 pips. That's good. That's good. That's very good. So we are now having 1:2 risk to reward. If so, 1:2 risk to reward is now being applied in this direct zone, right? So I hope you understand what is going on here and what I'm trying to do. So, but if this zone doesn't work, then it tears the zone, then that means we are expecting a new buy from here. And this buy here will be massive, guys. It will be massive. So the same thing I'm expecting on the first zone is the same thing I will be expecting on the second zone too before entering the market. Right here, I will be waiting for confirmation before entering the market, because we might be giving it ta. So you get so get this and have it at the back of your mind. And this is what we are expecting to do tonight. Work on this, work on this, work on this. But before taking any trade right here, make sure you understand what the market structure is all about, and make sure you work on confirmation entry. So as you can see right here, a lot will be going on right here. This will move massively. This will move so massive. So no cap. You'll be asking, how do I get this blue? As you can see, you see that I'm using about 3 color candles, the green, red, and the blue. So the blue signifies a lot of things, man. So don't play. So for the video not to be too long, let's cut it right here. Thanks.